fait un peu tôt. Bref, dans
4, 3, 2, 1,
3,
0. This
2,
live is launched.
1,
That's
0,
it.
ce live
It is
est
8
lancé,
o'clock.
ça y est, il est 8
Good
heures.
morning, all.
Bonjour à tous.
Welcome to Eigen
Bienvenue,
School. Welcome to
bienvenue
this magnificent
sur
community of
School,
wine,
bienvenue à
champagne,
cette
and
magnifique
spirits.
communauté
Often I
du
say
vin,
premium, but the
des
idea is
champagnes et des
already to have the
spiritueux.
dream of this
Souvent je dis
quality,
premium,
this premium
mais l'idée
aspect,
c'est
and then
déjà
little by
d'avoir
little to make efforts in this
le
direction.
rêve de
So,
cette
welcome
qualité,
to
de
all.
cet aspect
I am
premium,
delighted to be
et
able to
puis
discuss
petit
these
à petit de
important
faire des
topics with
efforts
you
dans
in
ce
Live.
sens. Donc
I have a big
bienvenue à
smile.
tous.
I always try to bring
Je suis
enthusiasm and
ravie
future
de
prospects,
pouvoir
but it is
échanger
true that
avec
the
vous en
period is
direct sur ces
particularly
thématiques
anxiety
importantes.
provoking, is
J'ai un grand
particularly
sourire,
difficult to
j'essaye
live with,
toujours
even
d'amener
for me, even if we are
de
someone who moves forward to
l'enthousiasme et
co-create
des
the future.
perspectives d'avenir
At
dans
a
cette
given
première
moment,
période,
in very
et
sluggish periods,
particulièrement
we are stuck like
anxiogène et
everyone else, and
particulièrement
we can also end up
difficile à vivre,
despairing. And so
même
I
pour
have a
moi,
lot of questions from
Anthony,
my
même
community,
si
and in those questions, what
on
comes
est
up the most? I've
quelqu'un
really
qui
listed what comes up the
avance
most.
pour co-créer le
So
futur,
there, at the
à un
beginning we
moment
were
donné,
all
dans des
surprised by the
périodes
first
comme ça
confinement, then
difficiles,
after
on
the
est aussi
curfew.
englué
I do
comme tout
not
le
even
monde.
speak, I will not enter
Et
into
on
too
peut
much
finir
debate
aussi par
here, are on the
désespérer.
Coco
Et
Loco,
donc
but
j'ai
finally
beaucoup
here
de
is when we are
questions
reconfined,
de la
etc.
part
At some point, as a
de ma
business
communauté.
manager, it starts to weigh heavily on the
Et dans ces
shoulders.
questions, ce qui revient le plus, j'ai listé vraiment ce qui revient le plus. Donc là, au début, on a tous été surpris par le premier confinement, puis après le couvre-feu. Je parle même pas de, je ne veux pas rentrer dans trop de débats ici autour du Coco Loco. Mais enfin voilà, quand on est reconfiné, etc., à un moment donné, en tant que chef d'entreprise, ça commence à peser lourd sur les épaules. Donc les
So, the
questions
questions
que
you
vous
asked me
m'avez
that come up the
posées, qui
most,
reviennent
and
le
that will be
plus,
answered
et
now and
auxquelles on
on
va
which you can
répondre
respond to with other
maintenant,
questions.
et
How is the
sur
current
lesquelles vous pouvez
situation?
rebondir
How this
avec
health
d'autres
crisis
questions.
situation
C'est
influences export
comment
sales?
est-ce que la situation
So,
actuelle,
that's
comment
the
cette
first question
situation
I
de
will
crise
answer after we are
sanitaire
going to look at is it the good
influence
time to
les
get started
ventes
in online
export.
selling? And then I
Donc
can
ça, c'est
share
la
some
première
valuable
question à laquelle je
information
vais
on
répondre.
wine-related selling
Après,
now
on
and
va
in the future.
regarder
Also, we
est-ce que
will
c'est
see
le
how
bon
important the
moment pour
risks
se
are for a
lancer dans la
wine,
vente en ligne.
champagne,
Je vais
and
vous
spirits
partager des
business at this
informations
time.
précieuses sur la vente
A
en
lot
ligne
of
du vin
worry,
en
often
ce
when you
moment et
worry,
dans le
thoughts are
futur.
underground is not
Également,
necessarily
on va voir,
verbalized
c'est
because
très
you don't want to
important, quels
discourage
sont
your
les
team
risques
or your family.
pour une entreprise du
So,
vin,
we
du
keep all of
champagne et
that
des
to
spiritueux en
ourselves,
ce
and
moment.
we are a little
Donc on
alone by
s'inquiète,
contributing to
souvent
these
quand on
internal
s'inquiète,
questions of the then current risk for a company
les
in the field of
pensées
wine,
sont
champagne, and
souterraines et pas
spirits.
forcément verbalisées
But
parce
we are
que
going
on
to
veut
talk about
pas
it. We are there for that, and then,
décourager ni
above
ses
all, without
ni
any
son
guilt,
équipe, ni
then
sa
that we are there
famille,
for our children
ni
finally. It is our
au moment de où ça
ancestors in
vous
the world
sera
of
et
wine
rien
who
d'être
allowed us to
seul
be
par
there,
rapport
and
à
we
ce
are here in
postulat
these
long
trades.
terme
The land
du
does not
risque à
belong
l'heure
to us.
actuelle
We belong to the
pour
land,
une
and when we do
entreprise
these
dans
trades,
le
we
domaine
often
du vin,
plan
du
for these
champagne et du
children and
spiritueux.
grandchildren.
On va
We
en
say when you
parler,
plant a
on
vine,
est
you
là pour
plant it
ça.
for your children
Et
and
puis,
grandchildren, children.
surtout, sans culpabilité aucune, puisqu'on est là pour nos enfants, enfin c'est nos ancêtres dans le monde du vin qui nous ont permis d'être là, et on est là dans ces métiers, on appartient, la terre ne nous appartient pas, on appartient à la terre, et quand on fait ces métiers, on se projette souvent pour ses enfants et ses petits-enfants. On dit quand tu plantes une vigne, tu la plantes pour tes enfants et tes petits-enfants. Donc,
So, how by projecting into the future?
comment, en se
I will tell
projetant dans
you,
le
in the
futur,
medium term and long
je vais vous
term.
dire à court,
How
moyen
can you
terme
take
et long
advantage of
terme,
the
comment est-ce qu'on
period
peut
to boost and
profiter de la
renew your
période
activity in
pour
wine,
booster
champagne,
et
and
renouveler
spirits?
son activité dans
But we
le
will
vin,
also
les
be very
champagnes et les
factual what
spiritueux.
should be done and what should
On va
not be
être
done in this
très
period, and the main
factuel aussi.
question that
Qu'est-ce qu'il faut
everyone is
faire et qu'est-ce
asking
qu'il ne
is
faut
on
pas faire
everyone's
dans
lips.
cette
What are the
période?
prospects in the medium
Et
term? Very important to
question
you. You know
principale que
that
tout
I
le
am a
monde se pose,
futurist.
c'est
I
sur tous les
analyze a
lèvres,
large number of
quelles
data.
sont les
So, I do not have all the
perspectives
details,
à
but in the big
moyen
lines I have
terme?
reliable
Très
prognosis
important.
to share with you.
Tu sais, je suis aussi
So here we
philologue,
go.
j'analyse un grand nombre
This
de données.
occupies us for
Donc,
half an
j'ai pas
hour.
tous
You
les
can ask
détails,
any
mais dans les
questions
grandes
you want,
lignes,
especially
j'ai des
stay until
pronostics
the end. I
fiables à
have
te
prepared a
partager.
gift.
Voilà, donc c'est
Free.
parti,
A
ça
gift
nous
is
occupe pour
free,
une
so it's
demi-heure. Tu
important
peux
to
poser
stick
toutes
around
les
until
questions
the
que tu
end.
veux.
It's
Surtout, reste
okay.
jusqu'à la fin,
It
parce qu'à la
works.
fin, j'ai préparé un cadeau gratuit. Un cadeau, c'est gratuit, donc c'est important de rester jusqu'à la fin. C'est OK? Ça marche.
So,
Alors,
how are our export sales
comment est-ce
currently
que
being
nos ventes
influenced by this
export
health
sont
crisis?
influencées à l'heure
Well, at
actuelle
the
par
beginning
cette
when
crise
it's
sanitaire?
happening, there had been the
Bon, au
first
début, quand
can-can
ça s'est
shows at the
passé, il y a
beginning
eu
of
les premiers salons
2020. Then after the big
début
shock,
2020.
it was the
Puis après,
cancellation
le
of
gros
Prowine.
choc, ça a été
Then after we were
l'annulation de
told we were
Provine.
expecting
Puis après,
Prowine
on
will
nous a
take
dit, mais
place in
attendez,
spring.
Provine, ça aura lieu au
Finally,
printemps.
it did
Finalement, ça n'a
not
pas eu
take
lieu,
place
on
neither
attend
in
en
spring nor in
2022.
summer,
Et
and their
là,
next year
Provine
it
l'année
is not
prochaine, on ne sait
known.
pas. Donc,
So,
on
we
est
are in a
dans une
situation which was
situation
unpredictable even if some may have foreseen something
qui a
different
été
and which shocked us
imprévisible,
by its
même si
suddenness,
certains
its
avaient pu prévoir
magnitude, and now
d'autres
which is
choses,
painful by its
et
length.
qui nous
That
a
is to say, when
choqués
there is
par sa
something which
soudaineté,
happens
son
suddenly,
ampleur,
life is
et
not linear.
maintenant
We are all
qui
built
est
and our companies
souffrante par
also to
sa
adapt, but when
longueur.
it is
C'est-à-dire
repetitive,
quand il y a
and
quelque
over the long
chose
term it starts
qui
in
se
quotes
produit
to
de
attack the
façon soudaine,
fundamentals, and there it is
la
T
vie
is
n'est pas
very
linéaire,
important
on
to
est
keep a
tous
cool head.
construits et nos
So how
entreprises
does it
vont
influence
s'adapter.
export
Mais
sales?
quand
Usually we
c'est
have prepared for all the
répétitif
show
et sur le
series,
long
whether from
terme,
all the shows
ça
in Belgium,
commence, entre
especially the
guillemets, à
professional
attaquer
shows,
des
even the
fondamentaux.
doors,
Et
open
là,
to our
c'est très
importers.
important
Normally it's a
de
period of
rester la
this
tête
November
froide.
is a very active period
Donc,
when
comment est-ce que
traveling
ça
and
influence les
exporting,
ventes
and there
export?
is. I do
Mais
not think
d'habitude, on
that
se
this is the complete
préparait à
end of
toute
the
la
shows,
série de
but
salons,
it is clear that it is a complete
que ce
overhaul of this
soit
system and that the
tous les
agenda
salons en
trade
Belgique
fairs and the form of trade
particuliers,
fairs as we knew them
les
before,
salons
it is clearly
professionnels,
finished.
même les
So,
portes
what has been
ouvertes chez
accustomed
nos
to doing this route
importateurs.
of trade fairs to
Normalement, c'est
rely on
qu'une
exhibitions to
période
make their
du mois
sales
de
whether in
novembre
France
est une
or for
période
export?
hyper
We must
active en
stop waiting.
déplacement et en
The
déplacement
questioning is
export.
now, it
Et
was even
là,
yesterday.
je ne pense pas que ce soit la fin complète des salons, mais c'est clair que c'est une refonte complète de ce système et que l'agenda des salons et la forme des salons tels que nous les connaissions avant, c'est clairement terminé. Donc ceux qui étaient habitués à faire ce parcours de salon ou à compter sur les salons pour faire leurs ventes, que ce soit en France ou à l'export, il faut arrêter d'attendre. La remise en question, elle est maintenant, elle était hier même.
So,
Donc,
in export sales,
dans les
those are the
ventes
negative
export,
sides.
ça c'est le
Now we
côté
said that we are
négatif.
positive in this slide.
Maintenant, on a
The
dit qu'il y avait
positive side is that
positif
beyond the Coco
dans
Loco,
cela.
you
Et
see it
le côté
everywhere. The second
positif, c'est
subject
que
after the Coco
au-delà
Loco
du
is
Coco
wine.
Loco, tu le vois partout.
So,
Le
I'm going to tell you
deuxième
that with a
sujet après le
smile,
Coco
even if
Loco,
it's
c'est
not
le vin.
necessarily always
Alors, je vais
cheerful,
te
but
dire ça
you know
avec
when
le
there were
sourire, même
wars,
si c'est pas
what was the
forcément
moral
ce
of
que
the
je veux dire.
groups?
Mais
It's
tu
wine.
sais,
You
quand il y avait
see,
des
and I have a
guerres,
lot of
qu'est-ce
friends
qui
abroad. I am
tenait
here
le moral des
myself
troupes?
while I do
C'est le
this live
vin.
internationally, and in those periods
Et j'ai
beyond
beaucoup
toilet
d'amis à
paper, which
l'international.
department
Je
is
suis
empty the
moi-même
most?
là pendant que je
Also
te fais
with
ce live à
specialists, it is the
l'international.
wine
Et
department.
dans ces
We
période-là,
never
au-delà
drink
du
so
papier
much with so
toilette,
much
quel est le
pleasure and as
rayon qui
much thirst for
sert de poste
discovery and good product as in that period.
sécher des
We can even
spécialistes? C'est
anticipate
le
a
rayon vin.
memorable and historic
On ne
Christmas.
boit jamais autant,
Beyond the junk gift made in
avec
China,
jamais avec
the
autant
very
de
beautiful
plaisir,
bottle of
de
wine,
soif
you know
de
when,
découverte
like
et
our
de bons produits
great-grandparents,
que
our
dans cette
grandparents
période-là.
during the
On
war,
peut
you
même
see, at a
anticiper
given
un
moment in
Noël
44 or 45
mémorable et
just before the
historique en
liberation,
termes
it was now or
parce que
never
si
to
tu veux,
release the
au-delà
Grand
du
Cru
fait
Magnum that you have been waiting for 8 years, you see.
cadeau de
So, for the
pacotier
sale of
Made in
wine, whether in
China,
France or for
la
export,
très
oddly
belle
enough,
bouteille
the
de vin,
period
c'est
is
comme
favorable.
pour nos
But what must be
arrière-grands-parents, nos
understood is that
grands-parents
it
pendant la
cannot take the
guerre.
usual effluent that had
Tu vois,
before, and
avant
that is why the situation is
1944,
suffering for many professionals
ou en
because of what they
45,
feel at the
juste avant
same
la
time.
libération,
This
c'était
demand
le
for their
moment ou
product, and
jamais
at the same
de
time, as the
sortir
traditional
le
circuits are
magnum, le
blocked,
grand cru
cut
qui
or it
est
is a
assez
pipeline which
attendu
is
depuis
clogged,
8 ans,
and
tu
they
vois.
do not know how
Donc,
to meet this demand
pour
whether in
la
France or
vente
for
de vin,
export.
que ce soit en France ou à l'export, curieusement, la période est favorable. Mais ce qu'il faut bien comprendre, c'est que ça ne peut pas prendre les flux habituels que ça avait avant. Et c'est pour ça que la situation est souffrante pour beaucoup de professionnels, parce qu'à la fois, ils sentent cette demande pour leurs produits, et en même temps, comme les circuits traditionnels sont bouchés, coupés, où c'est comme une canalisation qui est engorgée, eh ben, ils ne savent pas comment répondre à cette demande, que ce soit en France ou à l'export.
Do you have
Est-ce
any
que vous avez des
questions on this
questions
first point
sur
of
ce
how it
premier point
influences this
de
health
la façon
crisis
dont
in our
ça
export
influence
sales?
cette crise sanitaire
This
les
is
ventes
just a
export?
point on the influence of export sales on this health crisis if we stay on the classic circuits, as the economic
Juste un
period,
point sur
in the big
l'influence
lines
des
and the
ventes
big
export de
media
cette
is
crise
uncertain.
sanitaire. Si on reste
We
sur
have
les
different
circuits
sources of
classiques,
information when we
comme
come out of the
la
mainstream
période
media as we
économique
do here, but
dans
suddenly,
les grandes
some who
lignes
are
et
in
dans les
large
grands
circuits
médias
such
est
as GD,
incertaine,
large
on a des
importer
sources
type big
d'information
market can see some
différentes quand on
pressure on their
sort des
price
grands
than
médias,
that buyers in
comme on le fait
situations
ici.
like this even if
Euh,
the demand for
mais
wine is strong
du
will
coup,
always seek to lengthen
certains
the payment
qui sont
period,
dans des grands
negotiate more
circuits,
ardently the
type
prices and
GD,
put
type
pressure on
gros
the production.
importateurs, gros marchés,
So,
ben,
this is
peuvent
what is
voir une
felt first, and we
certaine
see it in the
pression sur
classic
leurs
wine
prix,
media.
puisque des
And,
acheteurs
in
dans
the
des
classic
situations
wine
comme ça,
media beyond a
même
few
si la
articles on
demande de
online
vente
sales
vont toujours
opportunities which
chercher
are very,
à
which
rallonger
don't
les délais
really
de
explain
paiement,
the
à
subject.
négocier
We
plus
do not all show this
souvent
economic
les
future of
prix et à
wine which
faire
is within
pression
our
sur la
reach in a
production.
direct connection,
Donc c'est ce qui se
producer-consumer,
ressent en
which is what
premier
I
et
will
on le
discuss
voit
now.
dans les médias classiques du vin. Et dans les médias classiques du vin, au-delà de quelques articles sur les opportunités de vente en ligne qui sont qui expliquent pas vraiment le sujet, on ne montre pas tout ce futur économique du vin qui est à notre portée dans une connexion directe producteur-consommateur. ce que je vais aborder maintenant. Donc,
So, the
deuxième
second
question
question
qu'on
I
nous
get
pose
asked a lot
beaucoup,
is
est-ce
this
le
the right
bon
time to
moment
start an online
pour
sale?
démarrer en
So,
vente en
yes,
ligne?
of course it's the
Alors,
right time. It
oui,
is
bien
never
sûr,
too
c'est le
late. The
bon
right
moment.
time, it
Il est
was
jamais
already
trop tard. Le
yesterday, the
bon
day
moment,
before
c'était déjà
yesterday. At the
hier,
earliest we
avant-hier.
start the sale
Au
link,
plus
the
tôt on
sooner we
démarre
have
en
the
vente en
expected
ligne, au
results.
plus tôt
Now
on
there
a
is
les
online
résultats
sale and selling
attendus.
yesterday. I still
Maintenant,
had a
il y a
supernatural
vente en
wine
ligne et vente en
grower who
ligne.
will certainly join our
Hier, j'avais
club and who
encore
understands that this
un
online sale
vigneron
is
super
necessary,
en
takes
vin
a classic
nature
agency and makes an online
qui
store
va
or in the
rejoindre
press.
certainement notre club
Okay, my arms are falling away, you see,
qui
because it's the
s'entend bien
past, you
que cette
see,
vente en ligne
it's
est
already
nécessaire,
finally. I don't want to
vend
be
une agence
mean, but it's
classique
complimentary
et se
has
fait
been, you
faire une
see.
boutique en ligne
So,
WordPress.
what you see is this what I want to
Bon,
share in a
là, on
very
n'hésitera pas
synthetic
tant,
way
tu vois,
because I don't want to go
parce
past
que
a half hour.
c'est le passé,
This is what
tu
you
vois,
see
c'est
selling
déjà,
online in the classic world of wine. It is really the summertime ice
je
bank.
veux pas être méchante, mais
And
c'est
what we
complètement
work, for
has-been, tu vois.
example, in my elite
Et,
club in
et
Club
donc,
20 is the entire
ce
ice
que tu
bank.
vois, c'est ça que je veux
What
partager
all
de
true
façon très
e-commerce
synthétique parce que je
professionals
veux pas
do.
dépasser la demi-heure. C'est ce que tu vois de la vente en ligne dans le monde classique du vin, c'est vraiment le sommet de l'iceberg. Et nous, ce qu'on travaille, par exemple, dans mon club d'élite, dans le club 20, c'est l'iceberg en entier, ce que font tous les vrais professionnels du e-commerce.
That is to say that, in a functioning e-commerce you do not have an online store to which you refer the 2-3 customers who call you because they cannot move with the confinement to come look for their wine with Cavens. That's not selling online for me, it's troubleshooting or driving, you know. What is selling online today is driving massive amounts of traffic beyond any magnitude you could imagine from a trade show in a specific location that you control from A to Z on the internet. That's selling online. On a show in a day, whether it is France or export, you can talk to what 10 people export trade show, you can make 2-3 good contact during the day, it's already huge. It's exhausted you. With these new sales system online, you can be in the vineyard, you can be in the cellars, you can be with your family, and during that time you can be in contact with 10,000 people, 100,000 people, 1 million people interested in your wine specifically, as long as you worked it upstream or you set it up and you awaken the soul of your wine to also take advantage of what I also call the divine algorithm of the internet, of the authentic diffusion of your uniqueness in the world of
Tu peux
wine.
être avec ta famille et pendant ce temps, tu peux être en contact avec 10 000 personnes, 100 000 personnes, 1 million de personnes intéressées par tes vins, spécifiquement, dans la mesure où tu l'as travaillé en amont et où tu l'as paramétré et où tu as réveillé l'âme de ton vin pour profiter aussi de ce que j'appelle l'algorithme divin d'Internet, de la diffusion authentique de ton unicité dans le monde du vin.
You see, so I hope everyone follows me because here I am going a little far, so yes, it is the right time to start selling online, but did not consider selling online compared to what you see in the emerging part of the iceberg. Make an appointment with me, I do lots of video. I do lots of public sharing where I explain what is social proof, what is scarcity, what is a harvesting machine sales, what awakening the soul of wine is, and how it changes in terms of consistency and attractiveness of customers. When you have an audience of 1 million people and you have 100,000 bottles to sell, well, your sales are made. So you don't get from 0 to 1 million people like that. But if you started 2 years ago already, or if you start now, in 2 years or 3 years you might be 100,000 or 200,000, 500,000 people in your community. This is what I wish you, and this is what we do in Club 20. So to be synthetic then, that is what I promised myself in this live. And the third question I get asked the most is, what are the risks for a champagne wine or spirits business at the moment?
Donc, pour être synthétique, puisque c'est ce que je me suis promis dans ce live, dans la troisième question, ce qu'on me pose le plus, c'est quels sont les risques pour une entreprise du vin, du champagne ou des spiritueux en ce moment?
The biggest risk, then, I don't want to repeat Manu's words on the war, but the biggest risk you see in a war, in a battlefield, is not to move, because if you don't move you end up taking a bullet. If you are paralyzed by fear, and you do not move and you wait for the worst posture is to wait without doing anything, and there the risk is maximum, and at the same time waiting and hoping without taking action has a completely natural and normal human behavior. Why? Because the human being in his structure prefers circumstances and a past and suffering habits, and which suits him more. He prefers, in quotes, we all prefer a shitty situation that we know, sorry for the expression, rather than get out of taking the risk, at one point, of flying a little into the void to recover from a new, more enviable situation that we do not know. This is called resistance to change. And they're why we
chauffant
suffer?
et qui ne lui convient
Why does the
plus,
world suffer?
il préfère une
Why the
entre
world of
guillemets,
wine
on
suffers?
préfère tous une situation de
Because we
merde
cling
qu'on
to a
connaît,
past that is no more
pardonne-moi
and we
l'expression,
refuse this leap into the
plutôt que
void, this
de se
decision making, to
sortir,
regroup
de
and
prendre
move
le
forward in
risque
a
à un
desirable
moment donné de
constructive
voler un
future,
peu
in a
comme ça dans
future
la
that
vie
has
et de
left
se
behind all this
récupérer d'une
baggage of
mauvaise
the past,
situation
all of those things that
plus
didn't suit
ancienne
us.
mais qu'on ne connaît pas. C'est ce
And
qu'on
what
appelle
I
la
am proposing
résistance
to
au
you in this
changement.
leap into the
Et là,
future in
pourquoi
clubs
est-ce
is
qu'on
to use
souffre?
the
Pourquoi est-ce
internet
que
to
le monde
automate. You
souffre?
cannot
Pourquoi est-ce que
automate
le
in the
monde humain
vineyard. You
souffre?
cannot
Eh bien, parce qu'on
automate in the
s'accroche
cellar,
à un
but
passé
you
qui
can
ne veut
automate the
plus
construction of
et
your
on
notoriety.
refuse
You
ce
can automate your
changement, cette
audience.
prise de
You can
décision
automate your
pour
sales.
se
You can
regrouper et
automate the
avancer
animation
dans
of
un
your sales
futur
at your resellers and at
désirable,
your
dans un
importers.
futur qui a laissé derrière tous ces bagages du passé, toutes ces choses qui ne nous convenaient pas. Et moi, ce que je propose dans ce saut vers le futur dans les clubs, ben, c'est d'utiliser Internet pour automatiser. Tu ne peux pas automatiser à la vigne, tu ne peux pas automatiser au chai, mais tu peux automatiser la construction de ta notoriété. Tu peux automatiser ton audience, tu peux automatiser tes ventes, tu peux automatiser l'animation de tes ventes chez tes revendeurs et tes importateurs.
And that changes
Et ça
everything.
change tout.
It
Ça veut
means
dire
that
que
not only do
non
you not have
seulement
to
tu n'as
hire
pas
for
besoin
it, the
d'embaucher
costs are
personne,
quite affordable.
les
It
coûts
runs
sont tout à fait
24 hours a
accessibles,
day,
ça
and you know,
tourne
the big
24 heures
problem
sur
in the wine world of the
24.
past is
Tu
that we
sais, le
never
gros
had enough
problème dans le
manpower
monde du
and
vin
never
du
enough
passé,
employees,
ben,
without
c'est
salary
qu'on
costs, and without risk of
n'avait
labor.
jamais assez
And
de
at
main-d'œuvre et
500
jamais assez
euros
de
per month, you would
salariés.
have had
On
5
avait,
salespeople for
t'aurais
10
eu
years. Obviously, your sales would have jumped.
100
The
charges
problem you cannot all
salariales et
do.
sans risque
Your
de
priority is the
prud'homme
vineyard and the
et à
cellars.
500
And
euros par
when
mois,
you
tu
have to
aurais
do
eu
more
5
sales
commerciaux
if you are
depuis
without
10 ans,
automation, and if
évidemment,
you are still in
tes
the
ventes
past
auraient
with a
fondu.
sluggish
Le problème,
system
c'est que
and
tu peux pas
pipes
tout
that are
faire. Ta
clogged, and
priorité,
after,
c'est la
oh well,
vigne, c'est
nothing
les
works,
chais.
and the risk
Et
is
quand
there,
il
the
faut en
risk is
plus
to
faire le
stay
commercial,
and wait
si
in
tu es
these old
sans
habits and not to
automatisation
dare to
et
jump
si
into
tu es
the
encore dans le
future.
passé avec un
So,
système
as the image
poussif
is
et
reversed,
des
maybe
tuyaux qui
when
sont
I
bouchés,
pass on the future,
ben,
it's not
à
on
un
the safe
moment, plus
side,
rien ne
but
fonctionne. Et
I
le
trust
risque,
you
il
to
est
be
là.
able to put
Le
things
risque,
in
c'est
the
de
right
rester
order.
à attendre dans ses vieilles habitudes et de ne pas oser ce saut dans le futur. Donc, comme l'image est inversée, peut-être quand je fais passer futur, c'est pas du bon côté, mais je te fais confiance pour remettre les choses dans le bon ordre.
That's it, and leads to the
Voilà.
next
Et ça
question you
m'amène à la
see.
question suivante,
So,
tu vois.
yes, it's still a good time to
Donc
sell
oui, c'est
online.
encore le
Beyond
bon
selling
moment de
online,
vendre
it's
en
also a
ligne.
good time to make
Au-delà de
animations
vendre
of
en ligne,
automated online sales
c'est
to
aussi le
support
bon
the
moment
efforts
de
of your
faire des
importers,
animations de
stores that
vente
distribute your wines
automatisées en
abroad,
ligne
your
pour
resellers in
soutenir les
France who may
efforts
still be
de
delivering or
tes
open,
importateurs,
and, above all,
des
you can, when
magasins
you
qui
understand the
distribuent tes vins à
situation,
l'étranger,
when you
de tes
understand your
revendeurs en
own
France
break from the
pour
moment you tell
renouveler
yourself, okay,
renouvelle.
it's normal to have this resistance, and to stay in my
Et
past paths to be
surtout,
blocked while waiting.
tu
You've
peux,
already
tu
70% solved the
comprends
problem.
ta
Because suddenly you
situation,
will be able to
quand
manage
tu
your
comprends
breaks,
tes
you will
propres
be able to
freins,
manage your
à partir
fear,
du moment
and will
où
be
tu
able
te
to
dis,
manage your
ok, c'est
resistance to
normal d'avoir
change to
cette
set up what?
résistance et de rester dans
To
le
set up
schéma du
a new
passé et de
passage to
te bloquer
action,
dans
which in a way to repeat before becoming your
tu
news
as
habit,
déjà
which in a repeated
à
way will become your
70%
new
résolu le
discipline,
problème.
and which
Parce
will
que du coup,
bring
tu
you
vas
results
pouvoir
after results,
gérer
a new way of
tes
selling your
freins, tu vas
wines.
pouvoir gérer
And
ta
that's
peur,
the turn
tu
you
vas
see. I
pouvoir
have the
gérer
title
ta
of this live.
résistance au
It's the big
changement
turning
pour
point.
mettre en
Well,
place
if
quoi?
you get
Pour
stuck in the
mettre en
past to wait,
place
well, you will take the
de
wall, and the
nouveaux
wall there it
passages
is
à
not
l'action
far.
qui de
The
façon
wall is
répétée
between
vont
December
devenir tes
20th and
nouvelles
January
habitudes,
20th. You see
qui
where
de
the world
façon
is
répétée
rocking.
vont devenir ta nouvelle discipline et qui vont t'amener résultat après résultat, une nouvelle façon de vendre tes vins. Et c'est ça, ce virage, tu vois. Le titre de ce live, c'est le grand tournant. Et ben, si tu restes bloqué dans le passé à attendre, ben, tu vas prendre le mur. Et le mur, là, il n'est pas loin. Le mur, c'est entre le 20 décembre et le 20 janvier, tu vois, où le monde bascule.
If you
Si
perceive
tu
the bend
perçois
and
le
you start
virage
tilting
qui
your head,
commence
you
à
know in the
pencher la
bends,
tête,
at some
c'est
point,
dans les
you have to
virages, à un moment
slow
donné,
down,
il faut
and in the hollow
ralentir.
of
Et
the
puis,
bend, you
dans
have
le
to
creux du virage, il
accelerate.
faut accélérer.
The
Le
shift is there
virage,
for
il est là
me.
pour moi,
You
tu vois,
see,
c'est
it is
vraiment
really
là,
there, between this
entre
month of
ce mois de
December and the end
décembre et
of
cette fin
January.
janvier.
If you
Et
take
si tu
advantage of all the
profites
global
de
upheavals which
tous
are
les
to calmly
bouleversements
train you on
mondiaux
these
qui
new
sont en
internet
cours
tools.
pour sereinement
When we come out
te
of the bend
former
because we
sur
get
ces
out of it,
nouveaux
and in
outils
March I have
Internet,
excellent prospects to share with you,
quand on en
but it
sort
is
du
well after
virage,
that, well, you
parce
will
qu'on
be
en
able to
sort au mois de
accelerate,
mars,
and you will be
j'ai
able to leave
d'excellentes
behind you a
perspectives à
lot
te
of past,
partager.
a
Il
lot of
s'agit qu'après,
competitors,
ben
and
là, tu
really
vas
I'm
pouvoir
extremely
accélérer.
confident for the
Et là,
spring
tu
of
vas pouvoir
2020
laisser
when you
derrière
know.
toi
It's like after a
beaucoup
war,
de
after
choses du
very difficult
passé,
events,
beaucoup
you
de
have a rebound, you
concurrents
know nature has a
et
horror of the
vraiment, je suis
vacuum.
extrêmement
After the
confiante
winter, it is the
pour le
spring, and
printemps
it's If the winter has been very hard, spring is magnificent and, you know it then that you observe it as a wine grower every year. In short, I am refocusing, you see. I said I am going to be synthetic, so fourth question, how to take advantage of this period to boost and renew its activity. Well, it is now or never. Number 1, very important, to note these own breaks, these own resistance to change. 2, to accept them without guilt. It doesn't help to say anything. I suck. Myself, we have all done. And 3, well, to take action. You see, I told
très
that also
important,
another member who
de
will join him
constater
in the
ses
export
propres
club.
freins, ses propres résistances au changement. 2, de les accepter sans culpabilité. Ça sert à rien de te dire ah ouais, je suis nulle, moi-même, hein, on l'a tous fait. Et 3, de passer à l'action. Tu vois, je racontais ça aussi à un autre membre qui va rentrer lui dans le club export. Je disais voilà, moi,
I said, here, it is, me so you know it, I had 2 children, so the abs is a little slow and it's been 2 years without lying to you that I say to myself, I must do some things for my abs, and well I remained in my habits, so yes, I did some abs but I remained in my habits. Since then I have a coach twice a week who counts my abs. Number 1, I've stopped excuses, and 2, I'm starting to have abs that I can't show you right now. Here it is, it's the same principle if you're used to staying in the pattern of the past. Take a coach me, I often say it in the club, largely beyond the training has new tools. There is also a very important coaching aspect, and I tell you results and I encourage you. You see, and when it's hard, like when the abs is hard, the coach therefore where he says in English one more, well you do it one more. If you're all alone you make 5, if you have a coach next to you, make 15, well that's the same. Here. So how can you take advantage of this period to boost and renew your activity? Well, the change is such that it is preferable, 1, to have the right tools ahead of others, 2, to take the time to appropriate these new tools, to be trained, and 3, to be accompanied.
Il est préférable, 1, d'avoir les bons outils en avance sur les autres, 2, de prendre le temps de s'approprier ces nouveaux outils, de se former, et 3, d'être accompagné.
To be accompanied by people who have already made the journey. Me, if I allow myself to make this live, if I allow myself to do as much public sharing, if I allow myself to shake up the established order a little, it is that way, I did it. I found myself confined in 2015 to the birth of my baby, of my second child, because I broke up at the same time and there was no one to keep me and I couldn't. When you have a baby you know you don't leave him home. While my job was to take the TGV, to go to Paris, to go to the Loire, to go to Burgundy, to go to Alsace, to go to Düsseldorf, to go to London, to go to Hong Kong, I could no longer move. So what did I do? There I hit the wall. I did not anticipate the bend, I hit the wall in the face. I trained myself and I have a little retro pedaling, and afterwards I took a mega bend, which allows me 4 years later, today, to have a phenomenal career development, to do more of what I have never done while spending less time, and with a lot more pleasure and satisfaction and efficiency. So, that's what I wish you. When there is a difficult event, well, it is that there is a questioning or a change that is necessary, so, as much to embrace the turn, to embrace the change as to resist them, because that it's when you resist that it becomes very painful.
Donc autant épouser le virage, épouser le changement plutôt que de résister, parce que c'est quand tu résistes que ça devient très souffrant.
We're almost there. What are the things not to do and what are the things to do? I drink a little bit. I talk a lot. So what you shouldn't do is delegate your power. You often, no, I see it. There I took you the example of a while ago of this charming wine grower in natural wine. Well, you see, you have to sell online. The natural tendency of the past is, I delegate an agency which makes me my shop. So, the good now it's cheap but you're gone for 3 months, and then you don't master your tools. We all did myself before I took webmasters to make my tools, now I make them myself, and that changes everything. And anyway, the tools become so powerful when you take your tools directly in Silicon Valley, in California, that wants well that.
Tous fait, hein. Moi-même, avant, je prenais des webmasters pour faire mes outils. Maintenant, je les fais moi-même. Et ça change tout. Et de toute façon, les outils deviennent tellement performants quand tu prends ces outils directement en Silicon Valley, en Californie, que tu vois bien que...
Well, it's nonsense to ask an agency to do it to you, because after you make sales ephemeral, the Black Friday you have, imagined the reactivity of the agency on the day of Black Friday to change a little thing, you change yourself. Same for the labels, for the graphics. We all did. You make an email, you take your morning less than half an hour to make an email on the modification of the labels that you want first. You pay attention to every word. You send to the printer. 15 days after, 3 weeks later, you have something that does not correspond to what you asked for. Today, we in the club make fabulous wine labels in a quarter of an hour and have fun. Not even the time it would take to email the printer. So here is. So what you should avoid doing is really delegating your power. What this shift is asking you today is to take back your power to create value. It is to see that in everything that did not work in the past, the lack of margin, the lack of time, the too much constraint, it is also linked to the fact of having wanted to delegate to others, to the reseller, to have delegated to the interprofession, to have delegated to the online sales, of having delegated to the agency or to the webmaster, of having delegated to the press attaché, and finally we have eaten a lot of margin, we have eaten a lot of time. So after any bad experience, it's good to take. It's from those bad experiences. Now you can do it even better on your own. But it's time to take back your power as created of value, and once you give me suddenly the right vibe, the soul of your wine, that you are your truth in these tools, there you turn them automatically in an exponential way in there, it pays in there, you have results because what you have put very authentically of yourself. A webmaster, a graphic designer will never know your wine and your message, what you want to share in wine as well as you do. So, what not to do? Remember that, delegate your power to create value. I will perhaps shock more than one, but if God put you in the vines, if the vines what one attracts to you at one point is that there is something unique that you can bring to the world of wine, that only you can share with the general public that appreciates wine. And so, take it in hand, and therefore what to do, well, go step by step, because it can seem very ambitious and huge to you and I always say in the club, it's like learning to drive. You did not learn to drive the first day or you arrive at a driving school. You went regularly, and then each week being regular you progressed, and after 2 months, well, you were able to drive alone with great emotions, and then today you drive without even realizing it, and you can even call at the same time, whereas, at the time to learn to disengage, it took you an hour. Well, it's exactly the same trial, and you are much freer today with your car than you were when you were a teenager, depending on your parents. And this big bend is really the passage of a dependency of a teenage state in the wine world, where we depended on our interprofessionals, we depended on brokers, we depended on a whole bunch of intermediaries to make our wines known, from journalists, we depended on trade shows, we were dependent on teenagers, and then that forces us to pass to adulthood, to take our responsibilities, to make decisions, and suddenly to find our full power. There you go, and you take through the filter of what I just told you, all the actions, and you see what to do and what not to do.
Voilà, c'est exactement le même process. Et tu es beaucoup plus libre aujourd'hui avec ta voiture que ce que tu ne l'étais adolescent, dépendant de tes parents. Et ce grand tournant, ce grand virage, c'est vraiment le passage d'une dépendance, d'un état d'adolescent du monde du vin, où on dépendait de nos interprofessions, dépendait des courtiers, on dépendait de tout un tas d'intermédiaires pour faire connaître nos vins, de journalistes, on dépendait de salons, on était dépendant des ados. Et puis là, ça nous oblige à passer à l'âge adulte, à prendre nos responsabilités, à prendre des décisions, et du coup à trouver notre pleine puissance. Voilà, si tu veux. Et tu prends au filtre de ce que je viens de dire toutes les actions, et tu vois ce qu'il faut faire et ce qu'il ne faut pas faire. Ok?
And then, if there are questions you really have to ask me, so, what are the perspectives in the medium term? So that will interest Julian. So Julian, you know what is going well. When I tell you that we are going faster without a graphic designer, you know what I'm talking about. Because Julian is in the club. And therefore, what are the prospects in the medium term? So, you know I'm passionate about the future. Since I was little, I have this talent to project myself in time. How do I analyze data on the past? Because I am, what we call that, with potential. If you want, more and more of us are at the potential. That is to say, I arrive in a wine store, I scan, it's absolutely crazy. And I love it, and then after another time store or another assortment, before having all my tools on the internet, I was doing high-end consistency on the offers as 1,200 products. You see, I was doing 3-level segmentation on all Alsace wines, so I'm used to analyzing data. And why I like wine, because in wine you read the past, and you know we always say the history repeats itself with a very slight difference. For me, time is spirals, so you have the impression that the thing repeats, then that you pass a little above the circle before, but as there has a progression, it's very slightly different, and it's fascinating to observe these spirals with these evolutions. And so we are redoing things from the past with an evolution.
Pour moi, le temps, tu vois, c'est des spirales. Donc, tu as l'impression que la chose se répète, puisque tu passes un petit peu au-dessus du cercle d'avant. Mais comme il y a une progression, c'est très légèrement différent. Et c'est passionnant d'observer ces spirales avec ces évolutions. Et là, donc, on est en train de refaire des choses du passé avec une évolution.
From a point of view of the movement of the planets, what happens between the month of December 2020 And the month of January 2021, it is roughly the equivalent of what happened in 6 years during the fall of the Roman Empire. So if all were to suddenly collapse, it would have happened already. You see, I've been observing these phenomena for years. So, in fact, the change of way is very sluggish, but there it is, as you almost hear the structure cracking this fact. But the fact that it's slow and in quotes painful, it makes it safe. That's what I can tell you. So January, well, already December, January is sluggish to start. Well, you see, I'm doing this live. We are on the 27th from next Monday already. Next Monday is the most difficult point, and, after it all starts slowly has improved, we are starting to see much more enthusiastic future prospects, so we start anticipating this completely liberating spring 2021, and therefore, Christmas, if that interests you, happens with much more fervor, much more. Well, it'll be a memorable, almost historical Christmas where we will really have this Christmas magic at all levels. Even more, with great wines, so obviously at club member level we push our sales to the max. If you are not yet in the club, very quickly I can share some tips with you to do so, there is still time.
Noël, si ça t'intéresse, se passe avec beaucoup plus de ferveur, beaucoup plus Enfin, ça va être un Noël mémorable, presque historique, où on aura vraiment cette magie de Noël à tous les niveaux, encore plus avec des grands vins. Donc nous, évidemment, au niveau des membres des clubs, on pousse à fond nos ventes. Si tu n'es pas encore dans le club, très rapidement, je peux te partager des astuces pour le faire, il est encore temps.
And so, in January, well, we can announce, I think it's already public, you see, there is a reconfinement, etc. I believe that Disneyland will announce on January 4th. And so, it is sluggish until a complete liberation until the end of February, and in fact, it is all the institutions which are obliged to reform, to rethink, and we in the world of wine, we are very lucky by this, that if during these months you are preparing to animate your online sales, you prepare to animate your export sales, to support your importers, to support your resellers, to build up this fantastic customer audience, of course by France, but today in the club we also do it in London, we also do it in Brussels, we have opened with a specialized lawyer, the possibility of doing it in the United States, in New York while respecting the future system. We can sell online in the United States while being legally respectful of the American principle in Hong Kong, so both we know how to find importers, we know how to support them, and we also know how to dispense with importers in certain countries. When they tell me Ireland, I say okay, we find an importer. England, London, today we go live, we no longer need an importer in London with the Brexit. When I am told Germany, I have no importer in Germany, well, we go live in organic, we go there directly. When they tell me Brussels, we go directly or with an importer depending on whether you are from Champagne or other. Anyway, you see, I can talk to you about it for hours, but it's already half an hour, I'm going to keep it short so the medium-term outlook is stormy. We'll say it like that. In December, January, we're starting to see a little clearer at the end of January, and liberating with an acceleration one. Really, after 2021 we are in the process of reconstruction. But there is work there, and if you don't have the right tools, it's tricky, you see. You need to get ahead now to take advantage of these great developments to follow, especially in the world of wine pairing.
C'est délicat, tu vois, c'est délicat. Là, tu as besoin de prendre de l'avance maintenant pour profiter de ces belles évolutions à suivre, en particulier dans le monde du vin. D'accord?
So, much for these questions that everyone asks me and to which I wanted to answer live. What is important in this conference is to see that it also allows you to ask yourself questions about what you want, let go of the past, on where you are sure your resistance to change, and what you want for the future. Often if you want your action plan too, be very clear for your vineyard, for your vintage, your action plan is very clear for the sellers, and your action plan is much more vague in terms of marketing because of what been in the past. You have delegated your power to resellers, to restaurateurs, to journalists, to critics, etc. So take back that power. How?
En termes de commercialisation, parce que dans le passé, tu as délégué ton pouvoir à des revendeurs, à des restaurateurs, à des journalistes, à des critiques, etc. Donc reprends ce pouvoir-là. Comment?
Isabelle is now providing you with a link to these 4 strategic sessions that I have reserved. We take stock together on your commercial situation in France and export. We look, you see, I cannot detail this publicly for everyone by country. Is it that you direct is London, or are we going to find you an importer in South Korea? It takes a week to find an importer and these internet tools. So in short, I talked a lot and we put you a link to my gift to the strategic sessions here in the chat. There are not many. There are already who have taken sessions until December 28th, so after the schedule is fully booked. So, take action when, now, it's completely free and we see together in half an hour, in one-to-one that both of you exactly where you are. What are your difficulties at the moment, if I can't? Helps you is not serious. I can possibly indicate to you if there is another solution which I know, and if I can help you well we see how can I do it and what would be the retro planning of the actions? And to summarize, I have 2 clubs. So often, I ask the question, is what you want to make volumes or do you want to make the margin? And there they tell me both. So of course we want both, but you can't do both at the same time, so you have to see in the near future, for the month of March, what is your priority, more margin? So if you have a small volume, even if you have a little stock, well, go to France and export online sales. Isabelle puts you in touch. It's the Club 20, I give you a little free training on graphics that allow you to sell wine with a color that helps, with a capsule that helps, with a logo that you can put on their back labels, which is much better than the QR code, and which is the future is also free. Isabelle gives you the link. So this is really to create the margin, and now I also have professionals who contact me who have 50, 100 hectares, who relied on importers, who relied on traders, who find themselves in very difficult situations, so they need absolutely to find 6-10 new importers in the next 12 months. Well, we are taking action in the Talented Wine Growers Club.
Qui comptaient sur les importateurs, qui comptaient sur les négociants, qui se trouvent dans des situations très difficiles. Donc, ils ont besoin absolument de trouver 6-10 nouveaux importateurs dans les 12 mois qui viennent. Ben là, on passe à l'action dans le club des vignerons de talent.
Isabelle is also now putting you in the chat, and in this Wine Growers Club of Talent, 1, of course we wake up the soul of your wine, by what if you present yourself just by the appellation nowadays, well we will put you in relation to your appellation of price you see, then, a price lower and lower, so it's not the best way to get out of it. So what we're going to do is that we're going to do a challenge over a week, and in a week I'll teach you to find your first importer without a fare. And it's a bit of a cold shower, so, you know, anyone can do it, but if you don't have a coach it's like me, so if I don't have the abs coach, I won't do it. I prefer to bake honey toast, you see. So I coach you and we find an importer in a week, and so he doesn't necessarily have to withdraw the wine at the end of the week, but you have a contact that we can call hot at the end of the week. You can repeat the process as much as you want, but especially after we automate this process, so that you have a reservoir of importer interested in your wines permanently, and that you create this audience of interest around your wines, and you choose which is the best importer to sell in Ireland, Korea, and so easily you can find 6-10 in the year. And when you have volumes to sell, it is essential that you avoid having to fight over prices. Why? Because, how do we find them? These importers, because with wine we get to offer them a sales facilitation service. We help them sell the wine we sell to them, and so obviously we are listened to, we are heard, and we create business. Here I have talked a lot. I will answer the questions I know we asked on Facebook and are not all in the chat there, and then we give ourselves another 10 minutes maximum for the questions I received on Facebook.
Voilà, j'ai beaucoup parlé. Je vais répondre aux questions. Alors, je sais qu'on m'en a posé sur Facebook. Elles ne sont pas toutes dans le chat, là. Je bois, hein. Et puis, on se donne encore 10 minutes maximum pour les questions que j'ai reçues sur Facebook.
I should have taken some wine anyway, white wine, with a little toast. But well, it does not go in the direction of my abs. The wine it squeezed for tonight is not Isabelle. So, and the questions I had on Facebook is how long does the program last? So as I say, it's like a driving school really. That is to say, it's new tools. It's American software, a set of software on which I train you. It's useless. I'll tell you, making videos too. These are not things that you do in force when you are exhausted. So a first thing in the club that I do, I give you tips for sleeping well, I give you tips to dissolve anxiety, and like a coach I check that you are blocking. So if you are in the Talented Wine Growers Club, 1 hour per week. If you are in the Wine Club, 2 hours per week, but with regularity. To have the results, it is useless to do 100 sit-ups a day and then nothing in 3 weeks. Well, you have to do 20, 2 times a week
Pour
every
avoir les
week.
résultats, ça sert à rien de
So,
faire 100
that's exactly how it
journée
works. So
rien
1
pendant
hour
3
for the
semaines.
Talented Wine
Il faut
Growers
en
Club.
faire 20
If you want to
2
do
fois par
export
semaine,
volumes, 2
toutes les
hours if you
semaines.
want to
Voilà.
sell
Donc c'est
online.
exactement
Make
comme ça que ça
margins in
fonctionne.
France, and for
Donc
exported
1
also works the
heure
export
pour le club
system.
des
We sell
vignerons de Talent
directly
si tu
without
veux
an
faire des
importer in
volumes
Brussels and
export,
London, and soon
2
in many
heures
new
si tu veux faire de
countries
la
in
vente en
Germany,
ligne, faire
etc.
des marges
Well, I
en
cannot
France
expand too
et à
much
l'export.
after like
Ça
driving
marche aussi
school,
nos
it's
systèmes à
last, so there are
l'export.
some who
On
take 3
vend en
months.
direct
There are those who
sans
take 4 months. There are
importateurs
those
à
who take 6
Bruxelles
months.
et
I
à
respect
Londres
your
et
rhythm.
bientôt dans plein de
We don't
pays
leave, it's
en
like the
Allemagne,
abs.
etc.
We don't all start from the
Donc je peux
same
pas tout
point.
vendre.
We don't all
Donc
have the same
après,
goal to
comme
arrive. Once you
l'auto-école,
have
ça
paid in the
dure. Alors,
club,
il y en
I
a
can't
qui
say that you
mettent
are there for
3
life
mois.
because,
Il y en a
me,
qui mettent
it evolves so
4 mois. Il
quickly,
y en a qui
my
mettent
life,
6
that
mois.
all I do not
Je
know what I will
respecte
do in
ton
5
rythme.
years.
On part pas, c'est comme pour
But
les
there,
ados, on
I
part
am
pas
there, and
tous
those
du
who
même
have been
point,
there
on
for
n'a pas
3
tous le
years
même
have nothing
objectif d'arrivée.
repaid, and when you
Une
pay,
fois que
you
tu
are
as
there for
payé
several
dans le club,
years, and I
je peux pas
always
dire
do
que
the
tu y es à
updates.
vie parce que
Then I
moi,
want
ça
to do
évolue
is to
tellement
take the
vite dans
best
la
those who
vie,
are.
donc
You
je
see,
sais pas ce que
400
je
miles, a
ferai
million euros
dans
of
5
online
ans,
sales,
mais
and there, we
là,
do
je suis
seminars.
là et ceux
Well,
qui
there
sont
are
là depuis
costs
3 ans
for
n'ont rien
seminars,
repayé
but
et
if
quand
you
tu
are one
payes,
of the
tu payes
wine
pour
growers who
plusieurs
follow me
années et
and who
je
join
fais
the club
toujours les
now,
updates.
you stay for
Et après, ce
several
que je veux
years
faire,
without
c'est
having to
prendre les
pay
meilleurs,
anything again,
ceux qui
and having the
sont, tu vois, à
updates and
400
all the new
000, 1
tips that I can
million d'euros
find
de
to
vente en
share with
ligne. Et là,
you.
on fait des séminaires. Et là, bon, il y a des coûts pour le séminaire, mais si tu fais partie des vignerons qui me suivent et qui rentrent dans le club maintenant, tu restes pour plusieurs années sans avoir rien à repayer et en ayant les updates et toutes les nouvelles astuces, tout ce que je peux trouver à te partager. Donc,
Can I pay in
est-ce que
installments?
je
That's
peux
also what I'm
régler
asked
en
on
plusieurs
Facebook.
fois?
So
C'est aussi ce
yes,
qu'on me
I made a
demande
payment in
sur
installments in
Facebook.
5
Donc
installments so
oui,
that you
j'ai
can have the
fait un
return on your
paiement
investment.
échelonné en
So it
5
depends
fois
on each
de
situation. So when
façon
we
à
make
ce
the
que
meeting together to
tu
see if I can help in the
puisses
club, we
avoir
look
le
according to
retour
your
sur
situation.
investissement
What would be your
euh,
deadline for return on
dès...
investment? And anyway, there
Alors
is a
ça dépend
contact
de
of
chaque
guarantee
situation, mais quand
satisfied
on
or a
fait
refund.
le
And there, what I
rendez-vous
was told on
ensemble pour voir
Facebook
si je peux t'aider
is
dans le
this
club,
contact
on
guarantee
regarde selon
satisfaction
ta
or refund a
situation,
scam?
quelle serait ton
But
échéance
no,
de
I'm
retour
not
sur
going to have
investissement.
fun.
Et
You
de
saw
toute façon,
everything
il y
is
a un
public.
contrat de
I am
garantie
completely
satisfait
transparent
ou
and honest with
remboursé.
my
Et là,
audience,
ce qu'on m'a
and I
dit
teach
sur
you to do the same
Facebook,
to create
c'est
your
est-ce
audience. So
que
in
ce
this
contrat de
context, if
garantie
there is someone who
satisfait,
tells
c'est une
you
arnaque?
the bottle is
Mais non,
corked and you are
je
not
vais pas
looking, no
m'amuser, tu as
need
vu,
to
moi,
think
tout est
about it. You
public,
reimburse the bottle
tout
because
est
a
public.
dissatisfied
Je suis
customer, it
complètement en
makes more noise than
transparence et
10
en
happy
honnêteté par
customers.
rapport à mon audience
Of
et je
course,
t'apprends
it's a
à faire
fixed
pareil
contract,
pour
a written
créer ton
contract that
audience.
I send you by
Donc,
email that we
dans ces
sign together,
cas-là,
and
s'il y a
that is
quelqu'un qui te
applied.
dit bah, la bouteille est bouchonnée,
Then,
tu cherches même
there
pas à
are some who
réfléchir, tu
say
lui
is
rembourses la
what?
bouteille.
Yes,
Parce que
how long I have
finalement, ça
access
fait
to this
que
information, to
tu es
these
content.
shares, and to these coaching sessions in the
Donc,
club. You
évidemment,
see,
c'est
there
un
are people who
contrat
paid 2 years ago. I
fixe,
coached them
un
again.
contrat
So after,
écrit que je
if
t'envoie
you need daily
par email,
coaching,
qu'on signe
well, I'm
ensemble
looking at
et
how to
qui est
help you, but in
appliqué.
principle, even 2 years later, even
Ensuite,
3 years
il y
later,
en a qui
you're in the
disent
club.
est-ce
Me, the
que
club is still my wine family.
ah oui,
You are
combien de
there,
temps
and
j'ai
then there are
accès
also other members of the
à ces
club to whom you can
informations, à
ask
ces
questions.
partages et à ce coaching dans le club. Tu vois, il y a des gens qui ont payé il y a 2 ans, je les coach encore. Donc après, si tu as un besoin de coaching quotidien, ben, je regarde comment t'aider. Mais en principe, même 2 ans après, 3 ans après, tu es dans le club. Moi, le club, c'est un peu comme ma famille du vin. Donc tu es là. Et puis, il y a aussi d'autres membres du club auxquels tu peux poser des questions.
And in
Et
Facebook
dans les
questions.
questions
So
Facebook,
yes, it happens on the
oui,
internet, but it also happens
ça
in
se
exchange
passe
in a
sur
very
Internet, mais ça se
personal
passe
way when you
aussi
provide support from a
en
wine
échange
professional, when you
de
support him on
façon
these new
très
technologies, when you awaken the
personnelle quand
soul
tu
of his
fais
wine.
un
Support is
accompagnement
completely
d'un
holistic,
professionnel
that is
du
to
vin,
say, in
quand tu
family
l'accompagnes sur
situations.
ces nouvelles
The
technologies, quand tu
capacities
réveilles
compared
l'âme
to
de son vin,
learning and meeting the
l'accompagnement est
state of
complètement
fatigue, the emotional
holistique.
state in
C'est-à-dire que
meeting, so
dans
the
les
support is
situations
really
familiales,
complete.
on
Your
prend en
success is
compte
my success. When
les
I take this step, when someone
capacités
enters one of my clubs, my goal is his video
par
testifying
rapport
to his success a year
à
later.
l'apprentissage,
These are
on
the
prend en
questions I
compte
had on
l'état de
Facebook.
fatigue, l'état
It's good
émotionnel,
that
on
there
prend en
are
compte.
others. We
Donc
are, it's been already, I
l'accompagnement
said a
est
half hour
vraiment
live just.
complet.
For the
Ton
time of a
succès,
breakfast
c'est mon
coffee, it's been
succès. Moi,
42
quand
minutes
je
that
fais
we are
cette démarche,
together.
quand quelqu'un
So if there
rentre
is no
dans un
other
de mes
question,
clubs,
then I
mon
will.
objectif,
I
c'est
can
sa
wait a
vidéo
minute.
de témoignage
Ask
de
your
son succès
questions.
1 an après. Voilà pour les questions que j'ai eues sur Facebook. C'est bon? bon? Est-ce qu'il y en a d'autres? J'avais dit un live d'une demi-heure, juste le temps du petit déjeuner ou du café. Ça fait 42 minutes qu'on est ensemble. Donc, s'il n'y a pas d'autres questions, j'attends peut-être une minute. Posez vos questions.
Yes, I can finish. The above is that in the world of wine, we are very shy, and yesterday I can tell you an anecdote to finish. Yesterday I spoke with a wine grower who is in Corsica, Saint-Hubert, and I telling him, you see, he is a wine grower man. But
super.
sometimes you have to take metaphors a little
Et je
bit
me disais,
outside
alors
his
c'est, tu
world
vois,
to
c'est
help him
un homme
understand by what
vivant,
all I
mais des
explained
fois,
to
tu es
him
obligé
on
de
the
prendre
part
des
emerged from
métaphores
the
un peu
iceberg to
standard de
sell
son univers
online. It seemed very
pour
new to
l'aider à
him, and
comprendre,
when
parce que tout
it
ce que je
seems very new
t'expliquais
to you,
sur
you have a hard time
la
believing
partie
it, and
émergée de
therefore he
l'iceberg
sells in
qu'on
a
vend en
classic
ligne,
way,
ça
with
lui
the
paraissait très
ARVF,
nouveau.
with
Et
wine
quand ça te
merchants who
paraît
are
très
in love
nouveau,
with
tu as
his
que du
wine,
mal à y
with
croire.
restaurateurs,
Et
with
donc
people
lui,
who have
il vend
tasted
de
wine in
façon classique,
restaurants who love it who come to the
mais
property to buy
avec
it back, so
la
that's great.
RVF,
I'm not
avec
telling you to
des
take it
cavistes
away,
qui sont
but
tombés
what I
amoureux de son
said to
vin,
him, this is
avec
like
des
the haute couture
restaurateurs,
fashion
avec
show.
des
You
gens
see,
qui
it's
ont goûté
very
son vin au
hard to
restaurant, qui
organize an
l'adorent et qui
haute
viennent
couture
jusqu'à la
fashion
propriété
show.
en
That
racheter.
is very
Donc ça, c'est
expensive.
génial.
But
Je
do
te
you
dis
think
pas
that a big luxury
d'enlever
brand
ça.
will do that the
Mais
haute
ce que je te
couture
disais,
show?
ça, c'est comme le défilé de mode haute couture. Tu vois? C'est très dur d'organiser un défilé de mode haute couture. Ça coûte très cher. Mais est-ce que tu crois qu'une grande marque de luxe va faire que le défilé haute couture sans couverture
Without communication
en
coverage.
communication?
So at the
Alors au
start of
début
the
dans la
press
presse et
today on the
aujourd'hui sur
internet for
Internet,
12 months to sell the whole
pendant
season,
12 mois
you see, and that's
pour
what I'm
vendre toute la
proposing to
saison.
you. It's
Tu
this
vois? Et
automation
c'est
of
ça ce que je
creating
te
your
propose,
notoriety
cette
in the world of wine.
automatisation de
It's as if you
création de
were
ta
doing fashion
notoriété.
shows
Dans
without
le monde du
inviting
vin,
people, and
c'est
without
comme si
having
tu
any
faisais
cover
des
on which you
défilés de
have the
mode
supply
sans
without
avoir
this
invité
internet
personne et sans
optimization to
avoir aucune
communicate, even if you
couverture
are in high fashion
sur
directly with
laquelle tu as le
consumers all
pouvoir.
over the world.
Sans cette
From the
optimisation
moment you do that,
d'Internet pour
you know people are
communiquer,
thirsty for
même si
wine
tu es haute
all over the
couture,
world. Well, you make
directement
yourself known.
avec
What
les
is staying in the
consommateurs
past
du
have
monde
trouble
entier.
making themselves known.
À
They
partir du
still
moment
wait
où
for
tu fais ça,
journalists to come and see them
tu sais, les
soon.
gens ont
The
soif de vin
journalist, his
dans le monde
newspaper,
entier.
ran out of
Ben, qui
budget,
te fait
you
connaître?
see,
Ceux
so
qui
he
sont
can
restés
wait a
dans le
long
passé, ils ont
time,
du mal à
and
se
there
faire
you take
connaître.
your
Ils attendent
destiny in
encore que les
hand.
journalistes
Take
viennent
that
les
turn
voir.
and you co-create the desirable
Là, bientôt,
future.
les journalistes sont
So
vraiment
I'll
arrivés, il n'y a
stop
plus de
there.
budget, tu vois,
If
il
you
faut
like this
attendre
live,
longtemps.
great.
Et là,
I'll
tu
do it.
prends
Tell
en
me
main ton
every time I
destin, tu
accumulate a
prends
lot
ce
of questions,
virage
whether
et
on
tu
Facebook,
co-crées ta
on
future
YouTube,
destinée.
or by email. I
Voilà, je
collect
pourrais en
them and I
parler
will
des
give you a
heures,
live,
mais après, il
because
faut
the period
Maxime,
is
mon
sporty.
assistante, à
The turning
traduire
point in the world of
et
wine
à
is a
tu sais, on aura fait
reality,
du
so we will
voice-over
not
en
have
même
the
temps. J'adore ça.
opportunity to
Alors, ça
talk
prend
about it
quelques clics,
again.
mais ça prend du temps. Donc, je vais m'arrêter là. Si ce live vous a plu, génial, j'en referai. Dites-moi, chaque fois comme ça que j'accumule beaucoup de questions, que ce soit sur Facebook, sur YouTube ou par email, eh ben, je les rassemble et je vous fais un live parce que la période est sportive, le virage, le tournant du monde du vin est une réalité, donc on aura l'occasion d'en reparler.
Thank you all. See you
Merci
very
à
soon. And
tous,
then Julian has all the time
à
on
très
Messenger we
bientôt.
advance. In the
Et
club we
puis,
say,
Julien,
excuse or
à
result.
tout à
And there we
l'heure sur
shout,
Messenger.
yes,
En
result.
avance, dans
It
le
works,
club, on dit
ciao.
excuse au résultat. Et là, on crie yes, résultat. Ça marche. Ciao.